Welcome to D2 Trailer Sales. My name is Ryan and I'm going to show you this Exiss stock trailer that we just got in. It is a 7-foot wide, 20-foot long, and it's going to have a side ramp going into the first stall system. Up in the front, we're gonna have a calf gate, LED light up in the nose, 54-inch wide escape door. We actually added an additional center gate to this trailer. So it has 2 center gates, 3 different stalls, sliders in each stall. Very nice system, making it easy to shuffle through steers, small animals, anything you need to do. Slide over that gate. Then you can actually unlatch it, swing it against the wall if you need to. We also added roof vents, 2 in each of the stalls, giving you a lot of airflow. Side ramp makes you side ramp allows you to be able to drive a quad up in, walk a horse. If you got tack, you can roll your tack up in here. Use it pretty much for anything you need to. Giving you awesome, easy access to the first stall. It's an all aluminum frame and structure, aluminum skin, aluminum floor. Does have rubber floor mats already inside. Full running boards with walk-on fenders. Has tandem 7,000-pound axles. This trailer is very heavy duty built with 10-inch on center cross members. Show you how large that escape door is. Take a look underneath on the frame and structure. Eight-year frame structure warranty from the manufacturer with a 3-year bumper to bumper. This trailer is fantastic with an amazing system to use it pretty much for anything you need to. Come on in, check it out.